I am still using a Meat Stick X. I think it's the Meat Stick X. At least this works with the new model that I purchased. Well, I didn't purchase, but expensive because the other one dead up with ghost. Wouldn't work anymore. So anyway, this is going to be at 300 degrees. Spit Boss. And my meat stick is in this patty that I made that has the onion in the middle. And I'm just going to smoke them. I'm going to put them up here. These other ones have just the cheese only in the middle. So we'll shut this down and bring you back once we get everything done. I'm also going to put in a smoked sausage because you guys know my daughter does not like hamburgers. So I'll put that on here in a little while. We'll let this thing smoke for about an hour or so, and then I'm going to sear it. Hopefully nothing will come out of the middle of my burger. We shall see. I didn't put this in the beginning because there's too much noise there when I was preparing this thing, but this I got this idea off of In the Kitchen with Karen, and I'll leave her link to her channel and of course in the description. She has I don't know, thousands of followers or subscribers, I think. She's very popular and she has awesome recipes and just a freaking nice lady. So you guys, if you are hearing this and watching this and you don't know who that is, get over there and subscribe to her and watch her channel because she's got some great recipes. Showing I'm cooking. The internal temperature is 69 degrees on the hamburger patty of mine, and the ambient temperature of inside is 264. Of course, when I had the hood raised, it come down a little bit, so it'll come back up here in just a second. All right, guys, let's see where we're at on this bad boy. Oh my God, those look delicious. God, they're ginormous. Beautiful. Okay, now what I'm going to do is open that up. See that right there? Flames. I'm going to put a little bit of a scald, I guess you'd say, on these. See that? A little sear on this hamburger meat. Oh, that was getting ready to come apart. Yeah, it'll be perfect. Freaking hot. I think it'll be fine right there. Okay. Hey guys, I'm gonna get this burger put together for you all. Put a little bit of mustard here on this bottom bun, and man, check out the size of this hamburger. Goodness gracious. On the inside's my slice of onion and Baby Bell cheese. I'm using a little bit of just cut up romaine, parts of romaine lettuce, and got to have my hamburger dill pickles. I like this brand, Best Made. And then we'll top her off. So I'm going to cut this in two for you guys. let you guys see down the middle of this burger. You can tell it's all melted. Looks absolutely delicious. It was absolutely delicious, I promise you. Guys, I appreciate you all tremendously coming over to my channel, watching this. Just definitely like, subscribe, and come back often to see what I got going on. Thanks.